Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a Radha Krishna drawing facing each other. So let's get started. We'll do it very slowly children, it will be a big video but I want to show you the exact steps. Actually, okay, I'll tell you that later on. There is a boy in Canvas and Scissors who's made Krishna so beautifully that I fell in love with it and I decided I should do one. So this will be the curve. Can you see this? Yes. This can be the curve of the nose. This is the forehead. This is the nose which goes inside with the nostril part here. Then we'll have a straight line, and number 3 we'll have this. This is the easy steps which I have always. Oh, this has become a little big with a little bit of blackness this side. Then we shall go in with this part and make this will be the cheekbone. The eyes will be just opposite to this. I'm just making it roughly, we will do it later on nicely. So this shall be the eyebrows. Yes, this shall be the eyebrows, and then we will have the tikka as original tikka of Lord Krishna. Then we will have a little bit of hair this side. This will be the hair. This will be the pagdi. The pagdi goes inside here. Here we shall have a more punk. So let's make a ornament sort of a thing here. So let there be one circle, then one more circle here, one more circle here. I'm not very sure how is this going to come, but then still we can do it. We'll have a small one here. Then again we can go in with one circle here. This will be the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, gems. This will be the gems, and then we will have the more punk here. Now since I don't have much space here, the more punk will be only half. Okay, so I don't have a very huge book, otherwise I would have done the entire thing. Now this pagdi will come from here to here, and okay, let us make it a bit more jewelish type. ज्वेलिश मतलब बहुत सारे हीरा पन्ना के साथ. ओके, अब हम लोग ऐसा एक डायमंड लटका देते हैं, और इधर से वी विल टेक मोती. दिस विल नॉट बी ऑर्डिनरी मोती. लेट्स सी if we want we can make them white moti, or we can even polish them into a very pretty ones. Okay, so let's make a big one here where it finishes it off, and let's make one more laddi here. Should we? Okay, let's do it. I'm not going to do the this part of it. Children क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, मेरे मुंह में ना वर्ड्स ही नहीं आते, मैं भूल जाती हूँ यार, मैं बुढ़ी हो गई हूँ ना, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. क्या बोलते हैं, स्केच पेन या मार्कर नहीं करने वाले. दिस इज अ लिटिल ईयर बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ बिग jewel ईयर. So this jewel, actually this will have moti throughout. I just hope everything comes out to be fine. नहीं तो पता चले मेरे को कुछ रबिंग करनी है, बोलेगा तनु टीचर को कुछ नहीं आता है, चल रहे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना. It should be nice. अभी इसके बाद we'll make one more लटकना here. You know, my daughter makes beautiful jewelry, beautiful one. They look real. I cannot do that real. She's learning it, I am not. But the fact is that nothing is taught. They have to Google everything and do. And even if she Googles everything, she makes it very fantastically. You can follow her on Artem on Instagram. She's made a beautiful mojadi. If I get time, or I will just put it in the video. She's made such a beautiful mojadi. Now you, okay, the hair, little hair will be here because they are drooping from here. Okay, a little kalla कल्ला मतलब यू नो ना, वो बॉयज़ का होता है ना, इधर शेंडी टाइप, ये दाढ़ी के इधर आता है. एंड आर लॉर्ड कृष्णा वॉज विदाउट मुच्छी, विदाउट बियर्ड ऑल द टाइम. सो एंड इधर क्या करें, इधर फूल खिले हैं, गुलशन गुलशन कर देते. विल मेक अ रोज लेटर ऑन. ओके, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ सोल. विल मेक अ रोज ईयर एंड विल मेक अ रोज ईयर. ओके, let's make a rose here. Leave this part. Let's see what is to be done this side. Let's see. Now to do the Radha, what we will do is first make her face cut. I think so it should come like that. Then the T factor, children, don't forget your T factor, because if you don't make your T factor, you all might make mistakes. Even I make. There is nothing like I cannot make, even I do make. So her eyebrows, the mang tikka, the bindi should come somewhere here, the eye should be here. So let me rub this part. This should be the eyes with the eyelashes a bit bigger because she is a girl and girls have beautiful eyes. Some boys also have, but then she is a girl who has a beautiful eye. Radha was really very, very beautiful. That is why Lord Krishna was in love with her. So we rub this T factor. Now the entire nose will fall into shading part. The lips will be tong tong, tiong tiong. Tiam 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 tiam. Okay, this will be her nine. The neck should come a bit inside. This is a cheekbone. Her neck should be a little inside. This is Krishna's hair. Okay, we'll put few jewelry. This is the mang tikka. I'll take it a little up. It will be better. बिकॉज नहीं तो बिंदी और मांग टिक्का में फ़र्क ही नहीं पता चलेगा. सो फर्स्ट लेट अस मेक द बिंदी एंड देन द मांग टिक्का शुड बी समवेयर हियर. लेट्स मेक इट सिमिलर टू दिस. सो वन सर्कल, वन one more circle. Tick tick ta, tick tick ta, tick. Okay, there will be a drop here and then small undos throughout. Small undos and something like that here because it will go inside na. Now her hair will be here. Her hair will be here. Just here. Hey, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you're making a figure, this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this. Understood? Now when you're making this, the ears will just come. If you see yourself and you just point from the end of your eye, if you take your finger towards the ear, you will understand that where the eye ends, इधर जाएंगे तो हमारा कान इधर से ही चालू होता है. Remember that, children. Now Radha, I'm not making a big ear because we are going to make big earring for her. So let's make a similar earring. A big one, like how Tanu auntie wears. I love big earrings. I'm very much fascinated by them. I just love big ones. I don't know about others, but I am. We'll make a drop here and make some earring design here. I'm not very sure whether I've done it right. No, it's wrong. It should come from either ऐसा नीचे जाने का, फिर ऐसा turn लेके ऐसा आने का. Now let's make it connected here, and then we shall have a drop. No, this is itself a drop. So and here also, abhi the earring will be somewhere inside there. So only this drop will be coming down. So this drop. Children, there is a small error which has occurred. I was doing the earring and abruptly the video has stopped. The only thing which I have done after this is I have made the dupatta like that with small gullas, and I have just made this wall, nothing more than that, children. But the video got disconnected and I did not realize it. Good, the rest of the part came, otherwise doing this drawing again would have been a little tougher for me. Anyways, so let us start with the skin of Radha. Can you see it nicely? Now I'll have to keep on checking whether my video is coming, It is always a big tension for me. So for that, what we have taken is, we have taken a skin color, we have taken white, we have taken a primary red, we have taken normal orange, and we have taken dark orange. So these are the colors which we are going to use for the skin of Radha. The lips will be maroon, which I will tell you later on. So to start with, what we are doing is we are taking a red color and we might take a little bit of brown. Okay, you keep your browns with you so that there is no confusion कि वापस से वो कलर्स कहाँ से आ गए. So I have taken my गंदे वाला brown and I have taken my chocolatey brown. Okay, so this is red. This part is red. Eyes के नीचे is red. Here it is red. Okay, now children, here where the blush on side comes is again red. This side is red. The sides which is just below the hair is red. Here it will be red. This side is going to be red, and a little bit here will be red. The nose and all will go in with the brown shades, and this will be red. Okay, so are you clear with the red parts? We might use red later on again, but then this is the basic part. Now we are using white. Let us do the eye part first, and then we will do the rest of the part. So what white you require is where the shine of the eyelash, the क्या बोलते हैं यार मेकअप में उसको, आई शेडो. She I've become so weak in all these things. I forget what it is called. Shame on me. Okay, now what am I doing is I'm taking an orange color and I'm trying to put, see, this is the eyebrows. I've put orange here, orange here, orange here, orange here, and little bit of skin here. Now we shall take our browns. It is exactly how we do the makeups. For girls it will be more easy, but for boys who are interested in makeup and must be seeing their mummy doing makeup, for them it might be a little easy. Otherwise दूसरों के लिए थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाएगा. जिनकी मम्मी लोग बहुत मेकअप करते हैं उनके लिए तो ये एकदम सुपर डुपर इजी होगा. See, this is the shine on the eye and this is the shine of the क्या बोलते हैं, आई शेडो. Eyeshadow shine. Okay, after that we are going to use our orange for this color because the shadow of Lord Krishna is falling on Radha. So we are going to use a little bit of you all can use poster colors or acrylic colors as you all wish, but we are going to use that. This will be orange this side. It will be a little bit of brown here, a little bit of brown, and then the orange will follow with the skin color. Okay, so here after the red shall come the orange for the shades, a little orange this side. See, this is the second color which I have taken, children. So when you all keep on forwarding, rewinding, you all will understand the colors. Now see, this beach ka part of the nose will be the most shiniest part. After that we will have the orange and the skins which will go in. So the orange is almost done. The tip is that जहाँ जहाँ लाल के उसके नीचे नीचे हमको थोड़ा orange करना, और जहाँ से light नहीं आ रही वहाँ पर हमने किया. Now we will take our skin color. What we will do is first we will put the whites wherever it is required. Here, see, this part is going to be the shiniest part, correct? The part which shines is the cheeks. This is the cheeks which is shining here. So there will be no skin here. There will be the chin which is shining. So I have put Now I'm using my skin. Now for the forehead, throughout will be your skin color. Oh no, what is this blue color here? कुछ भी कलर आ जाता है. Never mind, I will make a bindi का pattern, so it will get rectified. So the skin color till here. Now what we are going to do is take a white and try to ghasaw the skin color with the whites. You know why I did this lightened shade? Because you want to show that the light which was falling, you don't mind these colors, because as it is we are going to do this with acrylic, so even if your color comes into it, there is no issues at all. Now I'm using this again to do it. Now we use a skin for the rest of the, I don't know why this blue color has to come here. ऐसा मत करो, तोड़ ही दिया मैंने. अभी मेरे को उधर एक शेंडी बनानी पड़ेगी बाल की, but I can do it, no issues at all. I just want to tell that even we make mistakes and even we rectify them. So even if you all are making mistakes, it is absolutely okay. See, I'll tell you which mistakes I made. Can you see a little bit of blue here? So what I'll do when I'm making the hair, I'll make a shindy hair here. Now I'm using my brown to highlight few parts. This part needs to be highlighted because this is the darkest shade. Okay, now just besides the eye, this part needs to be highlighted. You know, when we do makeup, we do highlight these parts, then you all can smudge it properly. When we do our blacks, it will look more prettier. There's some kachra from somewhere it is coming. I don't know from where. Never mind. So this will be brown. Just below the lips will be brown. Now I'm using my brown to do a bit of shadow here. Can you see? This is the gala. Gala means the neck. Huh? There is someone from USA. When I talk Hindi or Marathi in between, aap please. No, you don't please use other languages. We don't understand. Okay, it is for you, dear. I'm talking in English, so that you understand whatever I am doing and there is no confusion. Hey, this red is not looking nice, so let us do it with the orange. I keep on playing with colors and I don't get scared if my drawing is going to go bad or no. So now see, I'm using my black color for the eyebrows. Okay. Now so slowly you all will realize the shiny part. Now this part is going to be dark. This part we are going to use Gande wala brown. There is some kachra here. Let me dust my book once. Okay, my Gande wala brown, which enters the nostril, it goes here, it takes the shape here, it takes the shape of the nose. Okay, so that is why I like Dom's colors. I don't like these colors. Anyways, now I'm taking my black to do the, now let me do this part first. A little of bit of brown to highlight the eye. A little bit of brown here and here. Because once we do our eyelashes, we will not be able to do the smudging part. नहीं तो पूरी राधा ही काली हो जाएगी, है ना? उतना राधे को हमको काला नहीं करने का है. Now if you want to do anything with it, please use a earbud. Please don't use your hand to do it, otherwise पूरा कचरा हो जाएगा in this part. Okay, So we can use a earbud to do it, not your hand please. और मैं बोल के भी मैं ही कर रही हूँ वैसा, सॉरी उसको नथनी नहीं पिनाई मैंने, बट इट इज़ ओके, that is absolutely okay. Now I am taking my crimson color for the lipstick. So we make the borders first. Okay, can you see? I hope you all can see it properly. We are using a Tuchki white. We are leaving a Tuchki white here and a Tuchki white down here. Okay, and now we are making this lip part. And now what we do is we take a black. Actually it would be better if we take a charcoal pencil and do it, because this is a small area which is to be done. So a charcoal pencil would be better. Even if you have pencil colors of the same shade, let's make her Rati Agnihotri with the, नहीं, let's not do that. नहीं तो मेरे सारे पेंटिंग्स में सारी लड़की को इधर तिल डाल के मैं रति अग्निहोत्री बना देती हूँ, है ना? बट आई लव डूइंग इट, आई कांट हेल्प इट चिल्ड्रन, हम आदत से मजबूर हैं. Just one line of black. So our Radha's face is done. Now what we are going to go in for the Krishna's face, and you know the Krishna's face is going to be blue. So I'll come back with all the shades of blue. Let's not make it a bit proper bindi. Bindi can be, should we complete the bindi also? Yes, let us complete the bindi. I'm using a shading on the bindi itself. Now I am using my green color, because you know I made a mistake here. Because I have made a mistake, I am using this green color to do a border. Now I use my black color to do the borders, and I'm going to use a little bit of acrylic. A little bit of acrylic, children, to do a little bit of other part. Now see, don't dust it like that. See, can you see the kachra? When you see such kachra, please don't dust it like that, because if you try to dust it like that, again it will get smudged. Now I'll come back with the colors for Lord Krishna. Okay, so now let us start with the coloring part of Lord Krishna, and for that I have taken these colors. Can you see? I have taken the grey rose color, I have taken a darker shade of blue. Any shade you all can take. You all can take your Antwerp blue, any shade. I have taken pink, white and black. So we'll start. So the darker shade of blue first. What we are going to do, I'm making his matha yellow, so, or should I make it blue? Let's make it blue itself. So right at the corners of the jewelry, now this somewhere, this is the kalla, you know, you understand the meaning of kalla, na? This is his hair somewhere here. This part will be blue. This part will be blue. Now this part, since this part is going to be black first, then we'll have the Antwerp blue. I have used the Antwerp blue, children. So you all can use any darker shade. You all can even use your Persian blue color. So here like that, we will have it here around the nose. We will have one line just below his eye, and we shall have one line somewhere here. If you all wish, please children, you all can use your light blue shade also. It depends upon you. If you want, please use this purple color, or if you wish, you can use, this is not the purple color, it is the lavender color which I am using. So I am trying to do it with the lavender. I am making my Lord Krishna a little different, not the original blue. Okay, now this is his eyes. Now we shall do the eye makeup. Now to do the eye makeup, this will be the Shenda ना, वो eyes का makeup होता है, तो this is the part and then it comes like that. So this part is going to be done. Okay, this is the eye makeup of Lord Krishna, and this will be the blush on somewhere here. I'm using the pink color for the blush on part. मतलब जो मुंह की लाली होती है उसके बारे में मैं बता रही हूँ. Now this shall be like that. Later on there will be complete smudging, children, complete. Now this part will be white. Okay, there will be a little bit of grey rose color here. This part is going to be white. Later on it will be smudged, of course. And oh my god, I entered it. Never mind. This part is going to be my. You all must be wondering, अरे बाप रे, ये तो भूत दिख रहा है. It is always like that. You know, even when God created man, first he made the skeleton. So the skeleton was the भूत, correct? वो भूत के बाद ही वो मस्त दिखने लगता है, like ऐश्वर्या राय. हाय ना. धीरे धीरे everything starts looking beautiful after we finish with the shadings and the colorings. So everything will have its own flow, slowly and steadily. Now वो जो ये जो white है इसको हर जगह मारना है. Okay, and then again we are going to use our हाथ का कमाल, ढिंचैक. ढिंचैक से मेरे को ढिंचैक पूजा याद आ गई. एवरीबडी नोज ढिंचैक पूजा. उसका कौन सा गाना था? कौन सा गाना था? मैं भूल गई. स्कूटी का कुछ था ना. I forgot. If you all remember, please tell me. Hey, I did not do your ढिंचैक पूजा. Now I'm going to use my hand to smudge the entire color very nicely, doing it slowly and nicely, slowly and nicely, slowly and steadily and nicely. Don't you bother टिक्के में गया, इधर गया, उधर गया. Don't bother, children, because we are going to do the finishing later on. So this is done, this is done, this is done. Now what am I going to do is make his lips first. So to make the lips, what color should I use? I am using my primary red color. So what I do is I put a little bit of undo here. And little bit of undo down. That is the way always you are supposed to do. Done. Now I am taking my black color. I'll start with the eyebrows part. So this is his eyebrows. You know, children, when we make Lord Krishna, he is without mustache and also no tension. मुच्छी दाढ़ी नहीं रखता था. He was clean shaved. So this is his nostril. A little bit. When we do this color, darker color here, this color will be highlighted automatically. This is the inner line. Oh my. Arey, I should have used my. I forget, you know, I start doing it with the oil pastel and then I realize oil pastel इतना जाड़िया होता है, उसके साथ ये सब नहीं करने का, नहीं करने का, नहीं करने का. But I always forget and कर देती हूँ, कर देती हूँ, कर देती हूँ. So a little bit of more whites to be smudged here, I feel. So let me do that. Yes, let this part shine a bit. So our Lord Krishna's face is done, Radha's face is done, and then we go in for the jewelry part. Now children, I am doing few circles and showing you. I will off the video and do all these circles in a similar pattern. Why I will off the video is, otherwise my video is going to become too long. So first I will show you this. I'm doing it in a brown shade, so I will show you, and I'll be putting a little bit of acrylic later on, that you all will understand when I do. So what I do is I take my Gande Wala brown and I take my chocolatey brown. Where is my chocolatey brown? And I take my yellow. Where is my yellow? Here. My yellow is here. I show you one, and in a similar fashion you all are supposed to. Should I show you on another page? Okay, so let me teach you one moti and then I will do the rest of the motis myself. See, now we have taken a Gande Wala brown, we have taken a brown, and we have taken a lemon yellow color. Lemon yellow color का थोड़ा सा मैं उखाड़ देती हूँ. Okay, so what we are going to do in every circle, half circle will be Gande Wala brown, half circle will be light brown, inside shall be yellow, that is the lemon yellow, and we will be putting a small tinge of white later on, which I will show you in the next way when we do the complete part. Now this is done with Gande Wala. I'll show you one more. See, Gande Wala brown, light brown, and then take yellow and do the gulla. Then again, Gande Wala brown, light brown, then the gulla. Again, Gande Wala brown, light brown, and then the gulla. So I'll be completely doing these beads, and these beads with this technique. And let's see if we will do for the Krishna the same technique, or we might take some other color, but the technique will be the same. So I will not waste my time doing each and every bead and showing it to you. I will make all the beads and come back to you. So see, I have completed all my beads. Now the second step is to do the ones which are the doubly ones. Okay, now to do the doubly ones, what you need to do is, first you take the Gande Wala brown and you just make a line, one line, the circle which you initially made, and you make the second line. Okay, after making this, you can take your fluorescent yellow color as well, children. So even if you want, you all can take your lemon yellow color if you do not have the fluorescent color. So you use your color yellow to make the inner part. Okay, and then we will be putting a little bit of white somewhere inside. So I will be doing every part which I have made double the similar way, and I'll come back to you. So children, I have done all this. Now what we are going to do is the inner part. Now the inner part can be two ways. You can do it either blue, or you can do it either red color. So first I will do blue here. So to do blue here, what I take a darker shade of blue, I just make the borders. Okay, I just make the borders. I take my white and smudge the border a bit like that and leave a little bit aside. Okay, now for the red color, I'll show you both. So but this will look good with the blue because I've already done blue. So I'll show you red this side. So for the red, what you need to do is take your red, do the borders. Okay, then you take your white. Now there is blue in my white, so I'll quickly wipe it, and I just have to smudge the color a bit. That's it, and leave it. It will automatically take its place. Now this part I have already done one big circle. I just did not rub it because I will be rubbing this part. See, I'm rubbing this part. I made two, but I don't want it to. It's looking awful. So let's make it single. So what I'm doing is, for Lord Krishna I'm using the blue nug, and for Lord and we will use a green one too. I'll show you with the green one also. I'm taking my white and smudging only a bit of it and leaving a little bit aside. Now let's do this part blue, this part blue, this let it be completely blue, this also a little bit of blue. Leave it. You should not bother much. The more you keep on bothering, the more it will trouble you. Now since we have taken our blue color, let's do this part also. It's in the similar manner, so I'm doing it and I'm keeping it because we have already taken blue in our hand. So this is done. Now blue color for this nug also, because it will look good when it is done blue, and we'll use another color later on. This part, and then we smudge it with and leave a touchki. Smudge it and leave a touchki. Leave it. Now you can use yellow, you can use any brown color. Brown color would look better. Now let's do it the way we did the other parts. Color it brown instead. You all can use any colors of your choice. So the jewelry has to be done. I think so, yes, this part is left. Let's make this also blue because we have used a blue theme. So let's make this also blue. So I think so I'm through with my jewelry. Now I have to teach you the acha. One part is left, this dupatta part. That's what I also wanted to teach you. Here also you will take your Gandewala brown, make one like that. Now what you use is your fluorescent color, and you do this. Okay, now just to show you all, I'm using the same fluorescent color here for her sari. Okay, fluorescent color, and then on top of the fluorescent color I will use red. You can even use maroon if you all wish. It's up to you. And then we'll do Andugundu Narapani. We shall do Andugundu Narapani. I don't have my scraper. Yes, I have my scraper, children. So Andugundu Narapani, 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 Andugundu Narapani. Okay, we have made some design. You don't know what is the design. And after that, what you will do is, with your nails, you will make few polka dots inside. That is also a part of the design. So this part is done. Now we shall start with the roses, and since the roses are red, I am just going to teach you a small trick. When you have to do, you don't have to do the detailed rose. I have not done anything in detail. It is just for the, so what you will do, you will keep on making swirls with black, children. See, I'm just making few swirls with black. Anyhow, and then you take your red color. Let the inner part be a little darker. And then you take your red color and you walk on the swirls, leaving a little touchki white somewhere. So this is the simplest way of making a rose. No tension, only mast mention. But this will go beautiful only with red, children. If you try some other colors, they look awful. So please do not try it with other colors. You can use a brighter red if you can. See, I'm taking my dark orange also. It will look pretty. So just making a swirl. Eyesight. Just making a swirl. Eyesight. I don't have anything in mind. I'm just making it like that. Okay, after making the swirl, what you have to do is just swirl the red color properly. See, this is the orange one. You see which color you like and then you do it. I like the red ones. I don't like the orangish wala. I don't know. That is my choice. It all depends upon you. Okay, so let me make this black here at the border as well. I'm using my reds, children. So just, this is a fast forward way you do your, because this is not the important part. The parts which were important I have taught you all slowly and nicely. This is not the important part. Now the part which goes inside here, see, just inside the jewelry part, that needs to be darkened and then फैलाना है उसको. You understood? फैलाना है. I'll just show it to you how फैलाना है. You understood? This has to be darkened. This part needs to be darkened. So this will be highlighted. Now what we can do is we can go in for our sap green color, children, to do this part, because roses ke leaves are usually sap green. So I'm making a few leaves like how we did for the girl with the flowers on her head. Similarly, you all can do here also. Make few leaves. I said I don't know what am I going to do. वो जब चालू करते तब सब पता चलते जाता क्या करना है. So this is my leaves here, and बाकी का area I'm going to darken it off. Understood, children? So it will start looking pretty. Okay, now this part again. एक अच्छा, इसके बाद हम लोगों को येलो करना होता है. You know, every time I do the more punk, I do it very differently. I don't even remember मैंने पहले वाला कैसे किया था. It is always like that with me. I always forget what I have done. But that is no problem. Nature can be done anyhow. That's the beauty of the nature. Still we harm nature, correct? I'm using my sap green to do this border because there is always some greens in our more punk. It's okay. So our more punk is done. Now I'm using my sap green for the pankhudi types here. A little bit, not much. And then later on I will do a little bit of black inside so it will look prettier. Aisa. Okay? Understood? Hokino, sango, 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 bango, 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 tan, tan, tadadan, jobi chahu, jobi mango. So this is one line of the pagdi. Which color pagdi should we do? I get so confused here. Okay, this is the hair. Hey, this is the hair now. I got confused now. Let's do it black here. I'll have to go back, see the drawing and understand. Yes, this is the hair. This is the hair here. And the pagdi will come till here. उसके बाद ये ऐसा ऐसा उसका jewelry इधर लटक रहा है. Okay, अभी ये this is the pagdi. Okay, this is the hair. See, I forget yaar what I had done. This is the hair and somewhere here. Yes, yes. हमारी याददाश्त इतनी भी कमज़ोर नहीं है. अभी इधर क्या करें? इधर मैंने छोड़ दिया. Let's do a rose here also. Let me make the hair first. Sorry. Let me make the hair. So I made the hair black. We'll complete it. See, now the hair is looking pretty. Now what am I going to do is put a little bit of gande wala brown for the hair somewhere. Now this is his body. अभी actually हमको इधर और body कर सकते थे, but then since I've not done it and then the colors will not merge in properly, I'm making one rose here also. Okay, let me make now please. So डिक्की चिक्की 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 डिक्की चिक्की चिक्की. ये रोज़ बनाना बहुत आसान लगता है, इसलिए बनाती है तन्नू टीचर. जिधर भी लगे बना दो. हम लोग मोर भी बना सकते थे. शी, याद नहीं रहा. मोर बनाते तो मोर भी अच्छा लगता था. Anyways, so this is done. Now the pagdi part. Which color pagdi should we do? Which color pagdi should we do? Achha, this part is going to be white with acrylic. Pagdi I have done yellow, so let me make a pagdi, a little bit of leaf green because we have not used that color. Let it be a colorful drawing. So this part completely leaf green completely leaf green, no shadings at all. No shadings at all. It's going to be a big video. I'm sorry children, I tried to skip few steps for you all, but then मैंने थोड़ा टाइम बचा दिया है, ऐसा नहीं, मैंने थोड़ा सा टाइम बचाया है तुम लोग का. माय गॉड. I've used the leaf green color children here. Okay, I've used the leaf green color and the pagdi is coming down somewhere here and then it vanishes with the hair. अच्छा ऐसा आएगी क्या? It vanishes with the hair. So his pagdi, this is our Lord Krishna almost ready. Now we have Radha का बाल. अच्छा इधर भी मैं रोज बना रही हूँ. कृष्ण भगवान ने रोज डाले तो राधा रोज क्यों नहीं डालेगी? राधा को भी रोज अच्छा लगता ही. बैंग 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 बम 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 बम, जो भी चाहो जो भी मांगो, बैंग 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 पम 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 पम, बैंग 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 dun 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 dun. So this part is going to be dark. Yes, let us put a few leaves even here. Where's my sap green? We'll have to put more leaves here and we'll have to do sap green here, because otherwise the hair of Lord Krishna and the black color will merge in and you will not come to know where hair किधर है तो bear किधर है. bear मतलब sorry, hair किधर है तो छोड़ो, नहीं आ रहा मेरे को rhyme करने को, so forget it. So this will be the last leaf. Now I'll show you how we are supposed to take the call for the leaves. So this will be the leaf, one leaf, okay, coming from here. Now since this is the hair, let this be like that, let the leaf be here, let this part be black, then there are many leaves here, so this part is with the leaves. So and this is the hair part. छोड़ देने का, कभी समझेगा नहीं तो ऐसा बिंची 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 कर देने का, पता ही नहीं चलेगा तुमने क्या किया. That's the trick. I'm teaching you few tricks children. I usually do it like that. Now Radha's hair we will not make it completely black, and इधर भी हम लोगों ने since उसके eyelashes आते हैं, इधर हम completely black लेकर नहीं जा सकते हैं. So what we will do is we will take a call with sap green color up, because we cannot, otherwise राधा का जो ये है ना eyelashes वो smudge हो जाएंगे, वो दिखेंगे नहीं, और कृष्णा के बाल भी नहीं दिखेंगे. So we can take a call with our sap green color. You all will not even understand what I have done. Uh-oh. But if you all see the video 2-3 times, you all will understand. अच्छा तन्नू टीचर ने ये किया है. You always quickly understand. अभी इधर तक तो उसके बाल आएंगे ना, हो बाल इधर. Okay. Now this is the jewelry which she's wearing. This is a mark. I'm using a little bit of blacks and a little bit of, actually I had made her ears here, but I'm not doing it because I forgot to do it. जो भी चाहो. This is her hair. We are going to highlight it with brown and blacks here. This part will be completely dark. And we will do a little bit of hair. Now see children, इधर तक बाल नहीं जाएगा तो ये पार्ट को हम सैप ग्रीन कर रहे हैं. ओके, इस पार्ट को हम सैप ग्रीन करके छोड़ देते हैं. And we are taking a गंदे वाला brown to do her hair. Now see, I am just doing झट्टा पट्टी and then we will smudge it. झट्टापट्टी झट्टापट्टी सुन पिया, ए झट्टापट्टी झट्टापट्टी सुन पिया। I'm remembering some song, I don't know, पर मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा। अच्छा देखा मेरा, इधर देखो, I'll show you very clearly. See, I have made a mistake here. Can you see this blue line? Now what am I going to do? I'm very intelligent. So it's done. Now see, can you see a little bit of Buddha Buddha? Buddha Buddhas are our dushmans and we cannot leave it like that. So what am I going to do is just press my finger and completely cover the the white spots throughout, even here. Here don't allow anybody to understand what you have done. That's the trick. Now I'll quickly go and get my acrylic color to do a little bit of highlighting here and there. Acha, there is one major thing which is to be done, children. Now can you see this part? So this part everywhere on the right hand side, okay? On the right hand side you all are going to do this black. See, right hand side. Now here it will go down. Understood, children? Similarly here also you all are going to do black on the right hand side, because you have to define your jewelry. Unless and until your jewelry is not defined, it will not look good on screen. ऐसा लगेगा हिल्लाड हमने क्या जबरदस्त फोटो बना दिया. I think so. The boy's name is Nihar, who had done Krishna. I was greatly fascinated by his drawing. Greatly fascinated. He has posted in Canvas and Scissors. If anyone wishes, please go and check in Canvas and Scissors. Nihar, his name is. He's done a wonderful Krishna drawing. And I got inspired by him and I said, no, I should do Radha Krishna. Usne Krishna kiya to main Radha Krishna karegi. So, big video, children, but keep on watching it. If you want to increase the speed, you all have an option. You don't worry, Tanu teacher को इतना सुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You all can skip, you all can forward. It is my duty, so I am posting the entire video. Now, if you all want to skip, it's your choice. And don't get disheartened अगर किसी को प्राइज नहीं मिलता. Please don't get disheartened, children, because I know everybody puts full efforts to do it. Hey, I'm not using my acrylic color. कंटाला आ रहा है, ऐसे भी सही लग रहा है. I'm not using it. Okay, let me use it somewhere. I'll just get it. I have to go and get it. It's not with me right away. Actually, I need to do this part, this tikka part with acrylic. And do I require to do anywhere else? I don't think so, but still. टूट के मैं चूर हो गई, तेरी जिद से मजबूर हो गई, तेरा जादू चल गया ओ जादूगर, टूट के मैं चूर हो गई, चूरा चूरा बन के मजबूर हो गई, तू मेरे सामने मैं तेरे सामने, तुझे देखूं के प्यार करूं, हमारा कृष्ण भगवान तैयार हो गया, कैसे मैं तबार करूं. You'll just watch जो मैं कर रही हूँ. मेरे गाने पे कंसंट्रेट मत करो, क्योंकि मेरे को है ना वो गाना अंदर से फुट के आता है. I can't help it. अभी वो ऐसा ही है ना, तू मेरे सामने मैं तेरे सामने, ऐसा, इसलिए ऐसा गाना आ गया मन में, इसलिए बोल दिया. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग माई एक्रेलिक कलर्स, आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट, ऐसे ही सही है। इसमें देखो थोड़ा थोड़ा टुचकी वाइट दिखने लग गया ना। द ओनली थिंग इज दिस टिक्का, आई डू इट रेड, तो हो गया ना, वो टिक्का में मेरा कलर चला गया ना, इसलिए इसीलिए 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 तू मेरे सामने। I've done it red. I'm not doing acrylic now. Because वो acrylic है ना, मैं सच्ची बताऊँ, मैंने कहाँ रखा है ना, मुझको पता नहीं है। अभी ढूंढते कौन बैठेगा, और मेरे को बहुत भूख लग रही है, और भूख के मारे मेरे प्राण निकल रही हैं। So it is better I don't do it. Do it, do it. Do it, do it. किधर भी बुड्ढा बुड्ढा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ ऐसा हाथ फेर देना। So I'm done with my Radha Krishna. I'll be posting it soon, and after this I don't know which drawing I'm going to do. So bye till then. Have a nice day. Enjoy your October.